Quantum Design is an integrator, and we do a lot of different, we have 5 different product lines, and originally Quantum started with control panels. So different control panels with medical, agricultural, basically across the industry. They could be food, medical, as I said, small, large scale projects. We acquired a company called KTI that is more in line with the paper label industry. So we make machines for that product line. Again, that could be going to medical, it could be going food. It really could go to any type of customer. We have a division that does saws and grinders, so that's going to be metal cutting and things of that nature. And those are our bigger 3 product lines that we do on a day-to-day basis. Abby Tabaka, and I work at Quantum Design as an HR coordinator. I take care of all the ins and outs of day-to-day employee interactions with their benefits. So it could be with regards to medical, dental, vision, those benefits, payroll, vacation, leaves of absence, when an employee is wanting to change into a different job, helping them with submitting their resume for that position, setting up interviewing. It could be a number of different things throughout the course of the day. No 2 days are the same. I used to work with a machine shop years ago that actually is one of the companies that we use to outsource some of our work to. Kind of had gotten stagnant in my position there, and a gentleman that I went to church with hit me up and said, "Hey, I work with this automotive supplier and we have a position I think you'd be really good with. You're a people's person, so what do you think?" And he knew I was looking for making a change, and I wanted to learn more about the opportunity. It was a position that was HR and also quality technician, so I did a little bit of I guess a dual role to start with, and I slowly transitioned into a full-time HR role, and that was in the automotive industry, and I was with automotive for about 5 years, and then I left the automotive world to get a little bit more balance in my life, and ended up at Quantum, and I've been here for about 1.5 years now. So mine was not a typical pathway for an HR coordinator, generalist, or any of those similar titles. I do not actually have a bachelor's degree in HR, so I am not a typical one. A lot of my learning was on the job by previous HR managers and just going to different courses and different seminars to learn a lot of the day-to-day activities that you need to know for HR. I would say the best thing is you get to help people. It's really a very wonderful feeling when you can help somebody with something that seems so small and little to you, and it's actually a huge concern or fear for them. For instance, if somebody is going out onto a medical leave of absence, I've walked through the process time and time again. It's something that's brand new for them. It's scary to them. So being to be there and walk them through it and giving them that comfort and reassurance, that's a really nice feeling. So some of the skills to be successful in this career, attention to detail is huge. The ability to really analyze what you're looking at and pull out any sort of mistakes, spending time, not just going through things quick level. You know, you have to really be able to dive deep. I think having the ability to also work with all sorts of different people of backgrounds. There's no 2 employees that are alike, so being able to really work with individuals on one level instead of just treating everybody the same. So if you're pursuing or thinking about pursuing a career in HR, ask lots of questions. Find somebody that does the job. There's no silly questions because, as I said, the day in the life at HR, no 2 days are the same. Ask lots of questions. Don't be afraid of silly things because there's a lot of silly things that I deal with or see every day. So, and then ultimately, you know, if you think that it would be a great opportunity, see if you can get in somewhere to job shadow. That can usually tell you a lot about the position and the organization that you're looking at.